Welcome to Methacton's new Virtual Locker, Internet access for your Methacton files housed on the district's network servers. Virtual Locker will enable you to work on documents when you are home or otherwise away from your desktop or unable to access your Z drive by accessing the district's network. You will be able to access your Z drive from anywhere that you can access an Internet connection. Begin by clicking the Virtual Locker button on the district's homepage. This will load this page. Once on this page, it'll be necessary to log in. In order to log in, use a combination of Methacton / and then the same username you use to access the district's network, your Outlook mail, and any other district resources. Entering the wrong username and password combination will prompt this screen. Simply re-enter your password. And enter the virtual locker. Once logged in, you can access your personal drive on the network or your Z drive. For your reference, I'll open my network drive here so that you can see that the two are one and the same. The same files exist in both places. This virtual online locker is providing me with remote access to my files. So as a note, these are the same files. The virtual locker is not an additional drive, but the two are one and the same. Let's orient ourselves to the space. To the left we see a list of folders, and in this right-hand pane we see a view of the currently open folder. In the top toolbar we see 4 buttons. Up one level to return to the folder whose contents we're viewing. Create a new folder to create a new empty folder. Download to download files from your virtual locker or Z drive to work on them. And upload to upload new or recently edited files to the virtual locker or Z drive. To use my files, I simply navigate to the appropriate folder or file, click the file I want to edit, and the computer will prompt me to either open or save this file. I can now begin editing this file. In order to retain my changes, I must save the document and upload the new document to the virtual locker or Z drive. If you don't change the name of the file, it will rewrite and replace the previous version. In order to retain the original, simply rename the document before uploading it to the virtual locker or Z drive. Now to upload the document, simply click Upload and click Add the document, or alternately, you can click and drag documents to this space. Then simply click Upload to upload the new document. You may also upload a folder of files all at once, but you must first compress the folder just as you would to send it via email. Simply right-click on the folder, Send to, Compressed Folder. Return to vLocker, click Upload, and click and drag the file, or select the file from your drive. Then click Upload to upload the compressed folder. We now see the compressed folder in our virtual locker or Z drive. Simply right-click, click Extract here, and then delete the duplicate zipped file. The extracted folder or unzipped file appears in our Virtual Locker, or Z Drive. This is a good time to note that when we delete files within Virtual Locker, we are deleting them from our Z Drive. The files will not reappear when we return to the network. Here are a few things to remember. The Virtual Locker is a view to your Z Drive. They are one and the same. Documents that you work on when accessing the Virtual Locker must be downloaded to a local drive where you can work on them and then uploaded to the Virtual Locker. You can rewrite or save a new file. If you delete a file in the Virtual Locker, it is deleted permanently. It will not reappear when you return to the district and view your Z Drive. Multiple files can be uploaded at once by compressing a folder and uploading it to the Virtual Locker.